Hi, you get to play a game today with your partner. For the game, you will need a number path and a partner. Pause the video and get your number path and partner now. Okay, today we're going to practice using the words more than or less than. So you and your partner get to talk to each other. So you're going to take one hand and you're going to pick any number. I'm going to pick this number. Then with your other hand, you're going to point to another number. All right, so you're going to put one finger here, and on your other hand, you're going to put other finger here. Then you're going to talk to your partner about what you see. You might say something like this: 2 is less than 6. Or you could say 6 is more than 2. Then it's your partner's turn. Your partner's going to pick another number. Ding. And another number. You have to touch two numbers at the same time. Then your partner gets to talk to you. You can say 8 is more than 3, or you can say 3 is less than 8. Have fun playing the game, boys and girls.